guys, welcome back to my channel again. So if you are just joining me for the very first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're an oldie and you are here again, thanks so much. So today guys, I'm showing you this hair from Arabella Hair, and it came in this pink box, and in the box there is the hair, and this hair is really gorgeous guys. You need to see how quick you can actually wear that, and there are a lot of goodies in the hair, the gummy lashes, and this hair you can wear it as a fringe guys. So just keep watching to see how I install it. All right, so my goodies are in this bag, which I really love. All right, so starting up, this is what the hair looks like. All right, so this is what the wig looks like. It has a nice wavy pattern to the curls, which is really lovely, and there's this nice band that is attached to the wig already, and like you can see, it has a 4x4 lace closure, and there are some combs, the ear side and the back and in the middle for it to secure. And you can see the color of this lace blends so perfectly well with my my skin color, which I really love. And this is basically very easy to install because all you need to do is just cut off the lace and you're ready to go. This kind of wig is very good for students who are in a hurry to catch lecture, even though these days people do lecture from home now and online, but this is a really nice wig for a beginner. All right, so without wasting time, I want to go and start styling. I was trying to see if I can fit it in the side part, or and I think it really fits me on the side, but today I want to do a center part. All right, so that's what I'm going to do, but before then I just want to use my powder and just go over the lace a little bit, just for it to blend more with my skin texture, skin color. All right, so I'm using the got to be a spray to keep the flyaway hair in place in the front, so that when I'm cutting the lace I don't cut the hair. But first of all, the ends of the lace where they're folded is the first place that is good for you to cut off. Then make sure that that place is well removed, so that it doesn't look like a bump there, if you understand what I mean. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now, and then I'm going to just go ahead and spray in a little bit. You don't have to do this guys, you can just wear this wig without just putting on the got to be spray, just because here is a little bit windy and I'm going out today, so I don't want this wig to have any malfunction or whatever. So I just put a little bit, and I also put a little bit of this I always forget the name of this product anytime I'm doing my voiceover guys. I'm gonna put it in the description box for you guys to see. I put that on, and I use my hot iron comb to just lay the wig. Then I went ahead and just cut off the lace. Alright, so for my baby hairs, which is optional, you don't have to do it, I just wanted a little bit of baby hairs in the front, and I just brought out some hair, slice them up a little bit so that I can have that nice baby hair. And I went ahead and used my Gorilla Knot gel to just lay them down. For the center part, I'm going in to pluck on a little bit on the pattern you know, to widen my space a little bit to make it look more natural. And so that's basically what you get when you put this wig on, and I really love this wig. The lace is beautiful. So guys, if you don't want to go and just put on the got to be spray and all that, this wig is giving me another level. And they put on this clip in, just one clip in, that looks like a fringe, that is a fringe actually, and just put it on and you're ready to go. So if you are not the kind of person that wants to, you know, expose it for your forehead, or you don't want to, you know, put on got to be spray or lay your edges, just pop this on in the front and you are ready to go, guys. So let me know in the comment section, which of the look do you prefer? Do you prefer the fringe, or do you just prefer without the fringe? Guys, just see the transformation is so beautiful. Guys, like this video and let me know what you think, and don't forget to check the description box for the hair, all the details that you need to know. If I have not mentioned, this hair is 20 inches and I really love this hair. I got loads of compliments, and yeah